I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nachos chips at home, full guide. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F, cut 8 corn tortillas into triangles, toss with 2 tablespoon oil and 1 tsp salt, spread on a tray, and bake for 10-12 minutes until golden and crisp. For extra flavor, sprinkle cumin and paprika or brush with lime juice for tang. Store cooled chips in an airtight container for up to 3 days. Seasoning is where your homemade nachos shine, so be playful and taste as you go. After baking, toss chips with a light spray of oil and your chosen spices to help flavors cling. Try a blend of smoked paprika, cumin, and a tiny pinch of sugar for balanced brightness. If you prefer heat, add cayenne or chili powder carefully. Let chips cool fully before serving to keep them crisp and sturdy. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes and tips that save time. On another note, I've been using a handy set of leak-proof containers for prepping salsa, guacamole, and storing chips between gatherings. Super convenient and tidy for meal prep. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a set if you want. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. When serving, keep chips crispy by adding hot melted cheese just before presenting and offer sides like pico de gallo and guacamole separately. If you need to reheat, use a warm oven to revive crunch without burning toppings. For parties, set chips in bowls and let guests build plates to prevent soggy nachos. Always cool and store leftovers in a sealed container to preserve texture and flavor until the next snack session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.